Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel and retention tape around the battery. Remove the 8 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the battery.